In this video, we shall be learning how to add and subtract in standard form. To add numbers given the result in standard form, the following has to be done. 1. Change the numbers to ordinary form if they are given in standard and the integers are not the same. 2. Perform the required operation, say addition and subtraction. Write your answers in standard form. Now, let's take a look at some examples. Example 1. $47,300 plus 52,000. So let's do this. In a question like this, you perform the operation, that is addition, and then write your answer in standard form. So let's add 47,300 plus 52,000. 4 plus 5 gives 9. 7 plus 2 gives 9. 3 plus 0 gives 3. 0 plus 0 gives 0. 0 plus 0 gives 0. So expressing 99,300 in standard form would be, like we learnt in our first video, that in this case, you always assume the decimal point is to the far right, in front of 0. So moving our decimal point from that point to the front of 9, we'll be moving this in 4 places. And like I said, that if you are moving from right to left, your integers will be positive. So here, our power here will be positive. So the answer will give 9.93 times 10 raised to power 4. Example 2. Solve 8.75 times 10 raised to power 5 plus 2.32 times 10 raised to power 5. In this type of question, since 10 raised to power 5 is common to both, it becomes 8.75 plus 2.32 times 10 raised to power 5. Performing the addition operation, we have the addition of 8.75 and 2.32 to be 11.07 times 10 raised to power 5. If you check this, 11.07 is not well written in standard form. So the decimal point ought to go a step from right to left, which gives us an integer of positive 1. This is added to integer 5 and the final answer gives 1.107 times 10 raised to power 1, which is the integer that is newly produced, times 10 raised to power 5, which will now give us 1.107 times 10 raised to power 1 plus 5. Our final answer will now give us 1.107 times 10 raised to power 6. Now let's move to solving the subtraction part of standard form. Example 3. Solve 5.31 times 10 raised to power 5 minus 2.31 times 10 raised to power 4. In this question also, since the integers are not the same, what we do now is necessary for us to convert the number back to ordinary form. So converting this to ordinary form, let's see our first normal number, 5.31 times 10 raised to power 5. Like you see here, 10 is to the power of 5. You can also say this is the same as 5.31 times 100,000, which means 5 zeros. So this equals 531,000. Likewise, 2.31 times 10 raised to power 4 is the same as 2.31 times 10,000. 4 zeros. This equals 23,100. Performing the subtraction operation, So we have 531000 minus 23100. So this gives us 507900. Converting the answers to standard form, like we did the first in the sub addition part. So I'll have 5.079 times 10 raised to power 5.